Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive, identify and unlatch the base cover to remove it. Then, unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify the hard drive assembly and slide the tab to unlock the latch. Grasp the cables at the connector base and disconnect them. Lift the assembly up to remove it. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive, place it back into the system and tighten the screw to secure it. Place the assembly back in the system. Reconnect the cables and relatch the assembly. Place the front bezel and base cover back on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.